Okay, today the topic of my presentation is UNMA. You must know that UNMA is United Nations Assistance Mission in Afghanistan. UN has so many peacekeeping missions and assistance missions throughout the world. But the major concern we can think about Afghanistan is that is UNMA. Because this is the mission in which Pakistan and United States both are combined, and UN is collaborating them just because of a reason for integrating and for managing the security of the region. Because we know that in South Asia, in whole of the Asia, the security of Afghanistan is the main concern. And just because of that concern, UN is just doing something to promote the peace in the eastern region and the South Asiatic region of Pakistan. Because it is combined with Pakistan, it's combined with China, it's combined with Iran and India. And Afghanistan is the foremost and very important country to manage peace. And UN is doing its hard work, and it's working day and night just to promote the peace in Afghanistan. And that's why Pakistan is the main country. Pakistan is a key source for UN to support in that mission. And Pakistan is cooperating in military, in Afghan refugees, in many more platforms. It's promoting UN missions in Afghanistan.